Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure online learning with Khan Academy, detailed guide step by step clearly. Access Khan Academy's website by entering the URL in your browser. Create an account or log in if you already have one. Navigate to the settings section to review your privacy options. Enable account security features, such as two-factor authentication if available. Bookmark the website for easy access in the future. Familiarize yourself with the platform's features and layout for a better learning experience. Explore the course catalog to find subjects of interest. Utilize the search function to locate specific topics or lessons. Engage with instructional videos by pausing and taking notes for better retention. Take advantage of practice exercises to reinforce your understanding of the material. Regularly check your progress on the dashboard to stay motivated. Connect with discussion forums to ask questions and share insights with peers. Use the mobile app for learning on the go, ensuring internet security on your device. Review Khan Academy's privacy policy to understand how your data is handled. Share your learning journey with trusted individuals for motivation and support. Stay informed about updates and features by following official communications from Khan Academy. By following these steps, you can effectively secure your online learning experience with Khan Academy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.